Hey guys, welcome once again to Geospatial tutorial. Today we will be learning how to extract area of interest or study area from a satellite image. This is also called as subset of an image. Typically a satellite image will spread across hundreds of square kilometers, whereas our study area might be limited to only a few square kilometers. Doing the analysis for the entire image is time consuming, is tedious, and also difficult. Also remember that depending on the extent of the area, the results what you get also may vary. What do we need for doing the area of interest is the larger image from which you will be extracting the area of interest and the boundary of your study area in .avoi format. Remember, both should be georeferenced and must be in the same coordinate system. First, let me open the image from which we will be subsetting an image. This is the larger image covering hundreds of square kilometers. And we'll open the usual image what we are using for all our practicals so far. And I am fitting the image to window and I am just zooming in. So this image what you are seeing color is a part of the larger image lying somewhere down here. Both are in UTM WGS 84 projection. You can see it. So what I need to do is create AOI for the color image, that is you will be creating the boundary of this image, superimpose on the black and white image, that is the larger image, and get the area of interest. Let me tell you. First, how do we do is enlarge the entire image, go for AOI menu and open tools. I've already used AOI tools while doing the supervised classification. Take the same tool and start digitizing the entire boundary of the study area. Just go on clicking on the boundary. I'll not do it very accurately because I am more interested in saving time for you than doing it accurately. So when you are doing practicals, please make sure that you digitize exactly over the boundary what you have displayed. It need not always be an image. You can take the AOI from a topo sheet, from a shape file, or any other file format that is recognized by ERDAS Imagine. I am taking roughly the boundary. Please take additional care when you do the process to get the accurate AOI. Double click on the last point to finish the digitization. Now you have done the digitization. Go to file. You need to save this AOI file. Go to file, save AOI layer as. You have the option. Save it in the folder you want. Give any AOI name, AOI. I'll give the same name AOI. When you press OK, now the AOI layer is saved. Now you can close this image and go to data preparation menu. There you have an option called subset image. Click on that, give the input file, that is the larger image from which you will be cutting the smaller portion. Once that is done, please define the output file. I'll be defining it in the same layer or correction, same folder where I have given the I'll save it in the same folder where I have saved all other files. I'll give it as subset. Subset.img will be the extension. Now you will have to go for the AOI option listed in the bottom of the menu. Click on the AOI file radio button and browse through the folders to get the place where you have saved your AOI file. Click on that AOI file, press OK. You will get that AOI file, click OK. And now you are done. Just click OK and your process starts. The process is running, as you can see in the screen. Once the process is done, when you open the new image, you will get a black and white area of interest from the larger image. Process is done. Open another viewer and just open the file that you have just created, that is subset. I'm just opening it, and there you go. You have just created a subset of the original image. If you want to see where did you cut this from, just open a file, open a raster layer. That is what you have created just now is a raster layer. This is only an additional thing what I am giving. You need not be doing it. Your subset is over. Click OK. Go to raster options. Clear display button is checked. Just uncheck it. Click OK. There you go. Your image has come from here. Since both of them are in the same coordinate system, you can see it. To be more accurate, go to utility, click on swipe and zoom in that area to know where it has come exactly from. There is a place where you can move it left and right. Just do it, just like a scale bar. Now you know exactly where you have cut that image from. That's all about subsetting an image. Thanks for watching.